This video will show you how to use the Smeg Steam100 combination steam oven. This model of steam oven allows you to combine steam with regular cooking functions, providing light baking results and juicy roasts, but also the use of the cavity as a full steam oven for the steaming of vegetables, fish, rice, casseroles, and steam puddings, and much, much more. The 800ml water tank capacity of Steam100 models allows up to 6 hours of uninterrupted cooking, especially beneficial for the method of slow cooking meats such as pulled pork or beef brisket. For a step-by-step guide on using the oven with partial 20 to 40% steam in conjunction with an oven function, check out the video called Steam1. The link can be found in the description of this video. This oven can also be used as a full steam oven, with options to select between 20% and 100% pure steam. Cooking with full steam is ideal for cooking most foods that would be cooked on the hob, but for foods that don't require browning. To use the Steam100 for pure steam cooking, select the function that shows just the steam symbol. Place steamed vegetables and fish onto a perforated tray and cook for the same time as you would on the hob, selecting 100% steam. For rice, grains and pulses, place the dry food into an oven-safe dish. Pour over boiling water to approximately 1 centimetre above the level of food. Steam at 100% for the same time you would cook for on the hob. If cooking more delicate white fish or vegetables, such as spinach, select a steam level of between 80 to 90%. Casseroles, curries and soups cooked in the steam oven are flavoursome, and if they're containing meat, tender and succulent. Place the ingredients into an oven-safe dish, using slightly less liquid than you normally would if cooking on the hob, and cover. Cook for the same time as you would on the hob or in an oven at 100% level of steam. To prepare a boiled egg in the steam oven, simply place the egg on a perforated tray and steam at 100%. 4 to 6 minutes for a soft-boiled egg, or 8 to 10 minutes for a hard-boiled egg. A dedicated sous vide function facilitates the delicate and precise cooking results for meat, fish and vegetables. The steam surrounds the food, cooking it in a consistently low and controlled environment, and it's therefore impossible to overcook the food. You can also use the steam-only function for reheating. There's very little compromise to the results as the food is not dried out but regenerated. Cover the food and steam at 100% for 8 to 10 minutes, or on selected models use the dedicated reheat function, always ensuring the food is piping hot through to the centre. There is also a defrosting function. This uses pure steam. This can be found in the Special Functions menu. It reduces the time the food would take to defrost on the side, and due to the gentle, moisture-rich process, it protects the quality of the food too. These are just a few suggestions of how to prepare different foods using the full steam function, but due to the nature of the cooking method, it's difficult to make mistakes and produces excellent results. To see how to drain and dry the steam oven, check out our other videos by clicking on the link in the description. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.